Hey everyone, if you've been following my tutorials for a while, whether it's on YouTube or 1mafx.com, first of all, thank you. But I want to talk about something I keep hearing from people. A lot of you told me what's actually missing isn't more information from the tutorials, it's having someone in your corner, someone to give you structure, push you in the right direction, and just be there whether you want to bounce the ideas around or get unstuck. And this is something completely different thing to watching a video on your own, and this is what this program is built around. So here is what you get. Every week you get one-on-one call with me where we walk through your goals and your work directly. On top of that, you got videos of me walking through how I think about the spells you are building, about structuring your portfolio, helping you with the setups, breaking down VFX complexity, and also a full access to Tier 1 and Tier 2 library for the whole 10 weeks. So whatever you are planning to build, there is already starting point in there. It's 10 weeks, one weekly one-on-one call with me, full library access throughout, async support if you get stuck between sessions, a lifetime Discord access, and it's $1,000 for the whole thing. And honestly, 10 weeks, it's enough time to actually build something real, not just scratch the surface. But I want to say that before you commit to anything, get in touch with me first. There is an email address below. We will jump on a quick call. We can talk about what you actually want to build in those 10 weeks and figure out together if this is the right fit for you. So if you're interested, send me an email and we can have a chat. Thank you.